Dutzer airport mistakes. Senior travelers should avoid. Most travelers think the airport is just the place you pass through before the real trip begins. But for travelers over 55, the airport can quietly become the most stressful part of the journey. Missed flights, surprise baggage fees, long walks, security delays, gate changes, medicine packed in the wrong bag. These problems usually don't happen because someone made one huge mistake. They happen because small mistakes stack up. By the end of this video, you'll know the airport mistakes that cost senior travelers the most time, money, comfort, and confidence. And the first mistake starts before you even leave home. Dubber mistake. 1. Thinking 2 hours is always enough. Most people believe arriving 2 hours early is plenty. But 2 hours at one airport can feel relaxed, while 2 hours at another airport can disappear before you even reach security. You still have to park, wait for the shuttle, check your bag, print documents, get through security, find your gate, use the restroom, and maybe walk 15 or 20 minutes through a large terminal. That is airport math. Most travelers count time from when they enter the airport. Experienced travelers count time from when they leave the driveway. The smarter move is to build a real cushion, not a hopeful one. Arrive earlier than feels necessary. Use that extra time to sit, get water, organize your documents, and board calmly. If you have knee pain, back pain, balance concerns, or simply don't want to rush, extra time protects your energy. And if you travel often, lounge access or a travel credit card with lounge perks can make sense. Not for luxury, but for a quiet chair, clean restroom, and a calm place to wait. Mistake 2. Assuming your ticket includes everything. Airline tickets are not all the same. 2 passengers can sit on the same plane and have completely different rules. One gets a carry-on, one doesn't. One can choose a seat. One pays extra. One boards early, one boards last. Before you leave home, check 3 things: your baggage allowance, your seat assignment, your boarding group. Do not wait until you're standing at the airport counter to find out your cheap ticket doesn't include a carry-on bag. That bargain fare can become expensive fast, and if you board late on a full flight, overhead bin space may already be gone. That leads directly to the next mistake. Mistake 3. Packing essential items in the wrong bag. This is one of the biggest mistakes senior travelers make. Anything you cannot comfortably go without for 24 hours should be in your personal item under the seat in front of you. That includes medication, glasses, hearing aid batteries, phone charger, wallet, passport, travel insurance details, hotel address, a snack, and important documents. Your personal item is not just a bag. It is your emergency command center. If your checked bag gets delayed or your carry-on gets gate checked, you still have what you need. A small organizer pouch, medication case, luggage tracker, portable charger, or anti-theft crossbody bag can be more than a convenience. It can be peace of mind. Mistake 4. Waiting until security to get organized. Security feels stressful because most passengers prepare too late. They reach the bins and suddenly start searching for their ID, phone, boarding pass, liquids, belt, shoes, and laptop. That's when things get forgotten. A watch in the bin, a phone in the tray, a passport under a jacket. Before you reach the bins, step aside if possible. Empty your pockets. Put coins and keys into a zippered pocket. Have your ID ready. Finish or dump your water. Keep liquids accessible. Never place small valuables loose in a bin. Put them inside your bag first. And remember this: slow is smooth. Smooth is fast. If you qualify for TSA PreCheck or a similar trusted traveler program, it may be worth considering because it reduces friction at one of the most stressful parts of the airport. Mistake 5. Ignoring your gate after security. Many travelers clear security and immediately relax. They buy coffee, browse shops, or sit near the first comfortable chair they see. But gates can change. Sometimes more than once. After security, go directly to your gate first. Confirm the flight number on the screen, not just the city. Several flights may go to the same city in one day. Once you confirm the gate, then decide where to sit, eat, or shop. Every 15 or 20 minutes, check the airline app or airport screen again. The airline app can alert you to gate changes, delays, boarding times, seat updates, and baggage information. Set it up before the trip. The airport is not the place to remember your password. Mistake 6. Relying only on your phones are useful, but they are not perfect. Your battery can die. The app can crash. Wi-Fi can fail. The screen can freeze. The phone can get misplaced. That is why experienced travelers use two systems: digital convenience and paper backup. Print your boarding pass if you're nervous. Print your hotel address, cruise documents, emergency contacts, travel insurance details, and airline confirmation number. You don't need a giant folder, just one simple travel envelope. When something goes wrong, paper does not run out of battery. The more important the document, the less you should rely on only one way to access it. Mistake 7. Dressing for the destination instead of the airport. Most people dress for where they're going. Experienced travelers dress for the airport. The airport means walking, standing, sitting, bending, lifting, security screening, temperature changes, and possible delays. Shoes matter most. Avoid new shoes, loose sandals, heavy boots, complicated laces, or anything with poor grip. Choose comfortable, supportive shoes that are easy to remove if needed. For clothing, avoid metal belts, oversized jewelry, tight waistbands, and complicated layers. Choose soft layers, comfortable pants, a light jacket, zippered pockets, and compression socks if your doctor recommends them. Airport clothing is equipment, not just fashion. The right outfit reduces stress before you even notice it. Mistake. Wait. Waiting too long to eat or drink. Airports are built around captive convenience. Once you're past security, prices rise and choices shrink. But the bigger issue is energy. Hunger and dehydration make everything feel worse. Lines feel longer, crowds feel louder, small problems feel bigger. Bring an empty refillable water bottle and a simple snack. A protein bar, crackers, a small sandwich, or another safe travel snack can keep your patience and energy from crashing. One of the best airport hacks is simple. Don't wait until you're desperate to eat or drink. Mistake 9. Forgetting the bathroom strategy. Use the restroom before boarding begins, not when your group is called, not after you join the line, before. Once boarding starts, everything becomes less predictable. The airplane bathroom may not be available right away. There may be a delay on the runway. The seatbelt sign may stay on. At the gate, before boarding, take care of anything your body may ask for during the next hour. Bathroom, water, medication timing, stretching, a quick walk. That small reset can make the beginning of the flight much more comfortable. Mistake 10. Not asking for assistance early enough. Some travelers avoid wheelchair assistance, cart transport, pre-boarding, or help with bags because they don't want to be a bother. But airport assistance exists for a reason. Airports are large, crowded, and physically demanding. If you have mobility issues, breathing concerns, balance problems, recent surgery, or difficulty with long walks, request assistance in advance through the airline. Do not wait until you are already exhausted. There is a big difference between using support to preserve energy and needing support because you ran out of energy. Smart travelers plan. Just remember, assistance can take time, so arrive earlier, not later. Mistake 11. Standing in the wrong line. Airports are full of lines that look similar but do very different things. Bag drop, full service check-in, international document check, priority check-in, security, TSA pre-check, customer service, rebooking. One wrong line can cost 20, 30, or even 45 minutes. Before joining a long line, pause. Read the signs. Ask an employee, is this the correct line for this flight and this issue? Never commit to a long line until you know exactly what it is for. If your flight is delayed or canceled, use the airline app or phone support while you're also in line. Sometimes the fastest line is the one in your hand. Number bash, mistake 12, boarding. Just because everyone else stands up. The moment one person stands near the gate, everyone else starts feeling behind. Even if their group has not been called, this creates a crowded, stressful boarding area. Know your boarding group. Listen carefully. Stay seated until your group is close, unless you need extra time. If you need help getting down the jet bridge, lifting a bag, or settling in, ask about pre-boarding. Boarding early is useful if you need overhead bin space or extra time. Boarding later can be useful if you want less standing. The mistake is letting the crowd decide for you. Mistake 13. Letting stress make decisions. Airports create urgency, announcements, crowds, flashing screens, lines, deadlines. That pressure makes people forget documents, snap at spouses, miss signs, and make poor choices. When something goes wrong, use this 3-step reset. Stop. Breathe. Verify. Stop moving for 10 seconds. Take one slow breath. Then verify the next action. What gate? What time? What line? What document? What bag? In an airport, clarity is a superpower. Airport mistakes are rarely one giant disaster. They are small decisions stacked together. Leaving too late, packing medicine in the wrong bag, ignoring the gate screen, depending only on your phone, wearing uncomfortable shoes, waiting too long to ask for help. But small corrections stack too. A better time cushion, a smarter personal item, a paper backup, comfortable shoes, a refillable water bottle, the airline app. A calm pause before every decision. The airport is not something to survive. It is a system to navigate. And once you understand the system, travel becomes easier, calmer, and much more enjoyable. Because the best senior travelers are not the ones who rush the fastest. They are the ones who remove problems before those problems ever get a chance to happen. Now that you know the airport mistakes that quietly ruin travel days, the next thing to learn is what experienced travelers always pack in their carry-on. Because one missing item can turn a delayed flight into a nightmare, but the right item can save the entire trip.